What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we've got some news. The rumored news that I had mentioned on one of the Nissan Titan videos quite a while back, well, it's now been confirmed. It has now been confirmed. Ladies and gentlemen, after a 20-year run, the Nissan Titan is going to discontinue production after the summer of 2024. You heard it, ladies and gentlemen. The Nissan Titan's production will end with the 2024 model. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here it is, the Nissan Titan. When 400 horsepower comes standard, anything seems possible. You know, you always want to root for the underdog and hope that they can make it through and rise from the rubble. But with the news that has been shared, how does this make you guys feel about hearing that this Nissan Titan will no longer be in production? It is officially been communicated. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling with this news. All right, let's get back to the action. All right, so here's the official statement that was shared internally and it leaked out, but the statement goes as says. Production of the Nissan Titan is scheduled to end summer 2024 at our Canton plant in Mississippi. Under Nissan's ambition 2023 vision of an electrified future, we are accelerating the process of transforming the Canton plant with the latest EV manufacturing technology. This will support production of 2 all-new, all-electric vehicles. There will be no workforce reductions due to the action. There you have it, folks. After 20 years, Nissan is calling it quits on the Titan. Now, we don't know what they have in store for the future as far as the EV world goes and trucks. We know that the Frontier, there's no mention of the Frontier going anywhere, but the big monster of a truck, the Nissan Titan that we've been working on to get back up to spec, it's being discontinued. So similar to other brands, when vehicles get discontinued, sometimes you see a surge in the marketplace, and then there is number one, there's limited production to begin with, and 2, if you have a flooding in the market, well, there's really nothing left, and then the price of that vehicle spikes because of supply and demand. It's a mathematical equation. Needless to say, sorry to break the news, the Nissan Titan, after a long run, is going to be discontinued next year. So if you were thinking about grabbing a new model, you want to go ahead and grab that pretty quick, because again, with limited production in most cases, if you really want one, you better go grab it. It's your boy BT. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.